Call of Duty: Black Ops is a first-person shooter video game developed by Treyarch, published by Activision and released worldwide on November 9, 2010 for Microsoft Windows, Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, and Wii consoles, with a separate version for Nintendo DS developed by N-Space.
The online multiplayer mode of Black Ops usually revolves around two teams on a specific mission. For example, a zombie cooperation mode, titled Zombies, is included in the game. Originally featured in World at War, it was revamped to be included in Black Ops. It is a 4-player online and 2-player split-screen co-op mode. The following is a quick presentation. We must hide.
Yes, but where?
Look the house. You have to go. Guys, there is something strange here. Don't you feel?
Yes.
Look, this is Arthur.
Don't move, or well, fire! Fire!
It seems they have surrounded us.
Seek for help.
Let's go now!
You have to keep shooting until I'll die.
Die here, I think.
Look, dynamite.
You're crazy?
Kill them!
Oh!
We just have to place the dynamite in different places. Oh, fast!
But guys, exploring these bastards!
I hope never see those things in my life anymore.
I like it.
Okay, we did it.